Have you ever ordered a template online expecting something amazing like this picture but ended up with a blank image instead? Like this? It's a classic disappointment. After all, you ordered a template because you needed something ready to go, right? Well, here's the good news. With Candy Apple TV, you never have to worry about getting blanks. Our templates always deliver exactly what you need, not blanks. Because as a beginner, it's still hard trying to design a blank. I am here to inspire you all the way from the tip top of the Blue Ridge Mountains. If you are new to me and Candy Apple TV, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the all bell notifications so you don't miss out, because we talk about all things Candy Apple related and sweet treats. Let's make the best Candy Apple recipe in town. This is Candy Apple TV with DIY Queen Diva. So in today's Candy Apple tutorial, I am applying these edible images. I will be using these pink candy apples. Let's go ahead and apply. Now, usually these will stick right on. Make sure you check to see which side you want your edible image on before applying it to the candy apple. If you need to use edible glue to stick your edible images on, this is the edible glue that I use, but in this case, I didn't need edible glue. And I usually just pour some in the cup or whatever I have and get a treat brush and apply just a little edible glue on the back of the edible image. But in this case, I do not need any edible glue. Now for my frame, I am going to make my own frame. I'm not going to use any of my frame silicone molds. I am going to use this silicone mold. And I am going to apply the white. And I take a fondant tool, press down. You want to make sure your fondant is in the inside of these lines, or any silicone mold that you use. You want to make sure your fondant is in the inside of the lines. And if your fondant gets too sticky, you can use Talos powder, cornstarch, or Gum-Tex powder. There's so many ways you can apply your fondant, and the silicone mold is up to you. I can feel it's coming up already. So I usually don't
have any issues. Make sure this needs to be a little thicker right here so it doesn't break.
Yes, I need the edible glue.
And I am just taking some of that fondant off right there. Okay, so now we can just turn this over and pop it out. Now I may have to use some edible glue. I may. This is the edible glue made by Satin Ice. Right here is the edible glue made by Satin Ice. There we go. Be careful with smushing this or the beads or stretching. It can break just like it did just now. What I'm gonna do here is take this off right about there because it started stretching. And I am just going to apply this on here. And you can just cut it like that. Okay, so now we're going to use this baby silicone mold. I'm going to use the bear. So I have my, my pink, my white, and my brown. I'm going to use this brown teddy bear. And if your fondant gets sticky, you can use Talos powder, Gum-Tex powder, or cornstarch. And I haven't had to use it thus far. Not yet. And if you have too much fondant, you can just scrape it out with the fondant tool. So I'm going to use some edible glue. Just a dab. And put it right there. Push it down. I want to make sure it's not going to move. Okay, now I have a bow silicone mold. I am going to use the pink. I'll use this one right here. Pinch more. This is already sticky. So I can probably just under there. There we go. And I am going to use my gold. Have this edible marker. Add a flower on it. glue. Brown on it. Smaller. Dab of edible glue, satin ice.
You can now add your bow. If you have enjoyed this candy apple tutorial, make sure you stay tuned to watch my next candy apple tutorials coming up right here on Candy Apple TV. I'll see you in a few seconds over my next video.